Don't feed your plant sriracha.
Wow, yeah, really.
Don't do that. You'd hurt the plant.
Yeah.
You know they can't process spicy food. They get stomach aches.
Exactly. Can you imagine it?
All right, so now we have cinnamon to repel ants. I didn't know that. Okay. Now we're wrapping our hands.
Oh, with some bags, right?
You can tell, like, I wouldn't even touch it with my finger. I'd wrap my whole arm in tape before I touched it.
And all of you,
my whole body
around
like a mummy. I'm just like.
Yeah. So, but it's gonna be efficient.
Yeah, exactly. So they're getting rid of the clock, all right, because they don't like daylight savings time.
So cockroach. I knew that guy.
I know that guy too. Yeah. I wonder where he's from.
Yes. If you recognize him, let us know in the comments.
And what is his name for extra bonus points?
Yep.
Okay.
So. Okay.
Oh no, we have a little rat, and we almost stepped on the rat.
That would freak me out. I would just run away.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
My mom told me a while ago when I was a kid, you know, she woke up in our apartments and she saw that big, you know.
Yeah.
It was huge rat.
Dang.
That's dang. And she were kind of brave with this.
New pet.
I would leave it away.
I would burn down the whole house.
Yes.
Okay. I don't know. I don't mind rats that much. Like, they're kind of cute. Aside from the tail. The tail's gross.
If like, no.
What about Ratatouille?
He's cute, but it's a cartoon.
Okay.
What can I say?
All right, fine. Okay.
Okay. Wow, get out of there.
Get out of there, fake birds. Put this pool in the ground.
I don't like artificial things.
I hate CGI birds.
Yes.
Crap. I mean, all birds are fake, right? Let's just be honest.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's a scare bride. Because getting married is a lot of responsibility. That'll scare away all the young guys. Nice. Girls, if too many guys are talking to you, just make one of these things. Or be like, I think I love you. Or like,
okay.
What would our kids be named? Okay, insect catcher.
Wow.
It's soft so it doesn't kill them.
Yeah, actually I want this gadget. I always thought about this because when I see cockroach and spider in my apartments, I'm like,
gotta get them out.
Yeah. So maybe this thing will.
I think
be
you should
nice.
invest.
Yeah, I need to. Do you have such a gadget, and would you buy such a gadget? Let us know in the comments.
Yes.
Am I alone? Like scaring of everything.
All right, liquid marshmallow. So it should attract them all to that one place, right? And then they'll get stuck.
I don't know, but how many?
All right,
grab
guys. A few. Question of the day: do you like insects? If so, what is your favorite? And if not, what is your least favorite?
Let us know in the comments.
And like and follow Archie5.
Banana money! What? Are you kidding me?
This is how you make money, folks. Apparently.
Yeah. And they growing on the ground?
Crypto? No, not necessary. Just get bananas and start planting them.
That was a nice intro.
That was a pretty good one. All right, we're getting.
It doesn't work like so.
Home aquatics. That was kind of cool. You can have a little fish tank.
Yep.
Garden. All right, and we're ruining this tree for some reason.
Oh.
So that we can grow. What?
Yeah, it's a popular thing.
Does it actually work?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
It's I don't remember how exactly it calls the technique when you combine two different plants into one. And so
you make like a hybrid plant.
Exactly. So
guys, let us know. Is that an actual thing? We're not sure. 2-in-1 germination. Okay. It's when you make someone German. Germinate them. Okay, so we have this girl is making a spider web to catch her prey in. Herself. And yeah, she's trying to get Spider-Man to come. Yeah. She's like, I love Tom Holland. Come here.
Why Tom Holland?
Because he's Spider-Man.
But there is more.
I love Tobey Maguire.
Yeah.
Andrew Garfield. Yeah. Which one is the best Spider-Man? Yeah.
For me, Fa.
I've never heard of Fa before. He's a good Spider-Man.
Yeah. I think Tobey Maguire.
Tobey Maguire, he's the classic.
he's okay. Tom Holland.
I actually like the 1970s Japanese Spider-Man the best.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not.
Guys, look it up. It's true. Before there was Spider-Man, there was Spider-Man.
There was a Spider-Man in the 70s as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was a TV show in Japan. Because I think Marvel back then wasn't doing so hot on the movies and the TV shows as they are now, obviously. So they were like, you want Spider-Man? Take Spider-Man. Make a show of Spider-Man. Now they're like, oh, you want
Yeah.
Spider-Man? Give me the world.
That's actually true.
Yeah.
That's how the business works, right?
Yep.
You know, in our days.
Exactly. We should make a superhero Archie 5 show.
So, what is the superpower you will have?
Superpower, we know Butch's superpower
Yeah, which one?
is making explosions and saying not bad. And yours is having a beautiful beard. And
Thank
mine
you.
is having a red bandana. Red bandana man, be careful.
So, we already have some power.
We have
right?
some powers already. All right, so why? Oh, you can grow
Yeah.
mini carrots.
Yeah, wow.
Ooh, blueberry. I didn't realize blueberries look like that on the inside. I guess I've never really looked at the inside of a blueberry before.
Seriously, you never ate it like so? You just.
No, I just because they're so small. You just
I don't know.
I don't look at what I eat.
saw
I
it.
just consume.
Okay, okay.
So we have the pepper seeds
And
and honey. Okay,
Excuse me?
I guess maybe that honey helps them grow as like a type of fertilizer or something.
I guess so.
Or like
Otherwise, why it's needed?
All right,
Just to make them sweet.
just to make them sweet. I put honey all over myself every day. I'm sweet as heck. All right, pretty good for growing roots, and then you can pop it in the ground. Next, we have some popcorn.
Popcorn, yeah.
Popcorn.
Have you ever used such a thing?
I did, yeah. When I was
Seriously?
younger, my mom had a bunch of camping equipment because she thought it was going to be the end times. So she invested in like canned food and things like that. And then we got the popcorn as well, and we ended up just eating some of it because it wasn't the end times.
Okay. Because I never tried this kind of
Yeah.
Wow, nice grill.
Ooh, nice cactus.
Cactus. I think it's a very expensive one.
Probably pretty expensive, unless you
yeah.
found it in the wild. But I doubt you found such a nice cactus in the wild. Those are premium quality cactuses grown by only the most prominent cactus farmers of their times. What are we gonna do with it?
No, they just destroyed.
You know, if you're really thirsty in the desert, you're not supposed to eat cactus juice because it makes you hallucinate.
What?
Yeah, like certain type of cactuses, cacti, will make you hallucinate if you drink the water within.
Mm,
So if you're really
So be
thirsty in the desert, think again.
think twice.
Yeah.
So, wow. But what is this action for?
I don't know.
Oh, is it eatable?
It looks like I think maybe some types of cactus are definitely edible.
Yeah.
I know cactuses also bear fruit sometimes called prickly pears or cactus apples.
Yep.
Yeah.
This for sure. I mean, but the cactus itself.
I think so. Why not? Or it's like aloe vera sort of thing and it's for
Yeah.
skincare. We
But-
don't know.
If you have nothing to eat,
I guess
or yeah,
rocks, cactus, sticks.
survival huts, why not? Oh,
That is so hard to do. That is like it takes so long. I've done it. I did
Yeah?
it in Boy Scouts. Yeah, it was really too much.
I never tried this. But wait a second, where he take a chairs? You know, there. But okay, doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Uh,
Don't ask questions in 5-minute crafts.
So, are they gonna eat it?
This thing as well. I don't really get the point of this one.
I know. I tested this. you
Yeah.
know.
For what is the point though?
Just first, do not create the dust of
Okay.
this ceramic thing.
All right.
And the second one,
So it doesn't
it's-
break.
it breaks better. You know?
Okay.
I tried with the water and without water, and without water, worse result than
Okay.
with water. It actually
Okay.
works. I'm not expert why exactly.
Not
it
a
works.
ceramics expert, really? I thought you were.
I quit with it.
You quit being a
yeah, I
ceramics
forgot
expert.
everything about
Yeah,
it.
you decided it just wasn't your
Yeah.
passion anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that looks
Not
kind
very.
of nice.
Uh,
Except the texture is a little bit
nice. It's
Ooh.
like
Soap.
lemon. No.
Lemon.
No, I mean watermelon or
Yeah,
melon.
like a mango kind of looking thing. Not a mango, melon.
melon.
Yes,
Uh,
a normal melon.
okay.
Looks good. She has
would you
chopsticks and
try?
everything.
Yeah.
This is like Gen Z
Okay.
survival.
Is it the scallops?
It looks like it, yeah. They look
Yeah.
delicious. I'm hungry. I want to put it in my mouth.
Why not? I mean,
Sugar, okay. Sugar and oil. Put a small piece. What does that do?
to make a candy, I guess. Oh, well.
Wow, it's a sucker. Nice.
You never did it?
I've never done that before.
Wow,
It looks
my-
awesome.
In my childhood, we did it a lot. I mean,
I don't know. We just had candy. We just had regular candy.
oh boy.
Sorry.
Oh, this rich.
Sorry, but no. It costs 5 cents.
Well,
Get a candy.
no, we had the sugar, oil, and that's it. And the burner.
Okay. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
You can cook in a pineapple
Actually,
under
I
the sea as well. That looks good.
Wow, that was delicious. And I think the juice,
Yeah,
also
that would be
there,
awesome.
wow.
I really want to test that and see if it's tasty.
So,
Putting some chips in there, ruining your chips. For what?
for smashed potato. What?
Oh,
Seriously?
Yeah, nice one.
Wow.
So you can make mashed potatoes out of chips? I need to test that. That looks awesome.
Wow. Actually, yeah, why
Yeah.
not?
Okay.
Would you taste it, such a thing?
I think it would taste pretty good. Especially if they're like flavored. You could do different flavors of mashed potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be awesome.
So,
This is an interesting cutting method for sure.
mhm.
A little unstable, I'd say.
And not safe, I guess.
Yeah.
But-
Never cut towards yourself is the rule.
But when you don't have the cutting board, right? Maybe
Yeah.
the solution. I don't know.
Yeah,
What's the
maybe.
reason was. Ooh, that
Whoa.
was satisfying. I like it. I don't know why,
Okay.
but now it's like a jellyfish.
It is like a jellyfish, yeah.
Uh,
I feel like that's torture. If you like stick your hand in it and you have to no.
okay. So what is this for?
It's good for your skin though. It's good for reducing inflammation and such, but no.
Garlic, onion.
It's a fat garlic. Oh, that was an onion. Okay.
Yeah,
My bad. More of this cutting technique.
I
That
guess.
scares me a little bit. But when you cut,
Yeah.
you're supposed to put your thumbs in, the tips of your thumbs in, so you don't cut.
Wow, that very dangerous section.
Yeah.
So okay.
We're mixing the aloe vera with the weird mixer that we
With
made.
all these ingredients, which
So many tools we have in the wilderness here. Amazing.
what?
Wow. So many resources. Just it's
I
like, it
was
looks like a
thinking-
nice curry.
That looks not bad, but
It looks like grandma's cooking.
But actually, I have doubts how.
I have doubts how it tastes as well. I don't think aloe vera would taste very
Yeah,
nice. That's
for
just
sure.
me. But
But we never tried.
yeah, guys, let us know, how does aloe vera taste? Is it
Yeah.
good? Is it bad? Is it ugly?
Should we try it? I guess we should.
We should probably try it for cultural literacy.
Well, okay.
Okay, we're smashing these up. What are these ones for?
For the drinking.
These ones are for
The juice.
making the ground slippery and making a slip and slide into the water.
Wow.
Okay, so you have like a whole meal just based off of aloe. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I guess so.
I wonder what
know.
nutrients you're getting from aloe. Anyway, give us more
More reactions.
right now,
Please.
please.